Where dreams take flight, we act and laugh from day and to night. Costumes, script and lights so bright. We bring our stories into life. Imaginations where we start each scene performed with all our heart. Together we embrace each part, creating magic, sharing art. From stage to stage, our voice soars. In every line, in every roar, with every rule, we earn much more. Fun at our core.